Hello, everyone that's out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a live video. Today is April 2nd, and what we want to do is do a testimonial tonight. For those that don't know, I'm the creator of the S3 method. I've been online since 2015. After struggling for over a year and a half, I was able to actually find my way and start earning six figures online and showing others how to do the same. And I made a vow to myself and to others that if I found the way, I would definitely show others how to start earning consistently and exactly giving people the exact blueprint on how to earn. And I want to introduce you guys to Fiona today, who's been working with us and been a part of the S3 method. And she's been learning a lot, applying a lot, and actually growing with the program. And she's really excited to be here. So Fiona, thanks so much for being here with us tonight. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well tonight. I'm just happy to be here. Fiona's a part of our mastermind that we started April 1st. We're only taking 50 slots for the first portion of this mastermind. And she's just going to give you some background about her experience online. And how long have you actually been online, Fiona?
I started my online journey December of 2017, so almost a year and a half.
Okay.
And when I started my online journey, I came in very blind. It was actually with a well-known company at the time, and my mentor in that company, she was making a killing. And I had no idea how she was doing it, but I saw her making this money. And I actually left my full-time job, thinking that I was going to come in and make thousands like she did. And that's not what happened, unfortunately. But I did, I have been able to maintain enough income to not have to go back to a full-time job. So yeah, a year and a half in, and that's when I've found Amanda. Like an angel.
Thank you. So what has been different since, you've connected and started using the S3 method that's not like other programs that's out there? What do you see? What were one of the challenges that you were facing that you feel like you're overcoming by being a part of this journey with the S3 method and with this mastermind?
Okay, well, with my previous companies, I really felt like I didn't have a team. Well, there was a team, but I didn't feel, I just haven't felt a mentorship like I have in the past few weeks with the S3 method. When I learned about the S3 method the first time, and I learned that it was you can get paid without recruiting, I was like, wow, this could be a way to earn some extra income on top of the company that I was currently promoting for. And then I got started immediately with the S3 method and going through the training, and I saw that I was actually earning daily without recruiting anybody. And it just kind of clicked. And then Amanda messaged me about this mastermind and asked if I wanted to be involved in it. And so I said yes. And literally every single day I have been learning. I've been open to learning. And not just one thing I will tell you about working online is you'll be told so many different tools to use, but if you don't actually implement it, it doesn't mean anything. So because of the team that we have with this mastermind and the S3 method, I've been able to sit down and implement it. And when things did get difficult, Amanda or anyone else on the team was there to help me. And that's really what I feel is different. And one important thing that I feel is different, especially with this mastermind, is one of the hardest things about working from home and being your own boss is having self-discipline. You don't get paid unless you do the work, but then sometimes you just don't want to do the work. And that's what this mastermind, it's kind of put some discipline in my life. We're having meetings at 7:30 Monday through Friday, and I'm going to do my best to make sure I make it to all of them. And it's giving me some structure, which is another thing that I needed to help me boost my business. And just within the past week alone, I am just in awe, honestly. And I know that this is the blessing that I've stayed up all night, you know, having stresses about this. This is it. This is it. So I know it.
Yeah, and that's the other thing. When I was starting my online journey and I did the 90-day blitz, I didn't have a team. I wasn't doing it with someone, I did it alone. And that's the thing, there was no one to hold me accountable, you know, and it is much easier when you have someone holding you accountable and someone looking forward to you being there and touching base with you if you're not there, right? And that's the difference between having a community, having a mentor or a coach, rather than just having a sponsor, right? Because we all get sponsors and they just bring you into a program and you don't really get that special touch, you know. It's just like, here's my link, sign up, and everything you need is in the back office. But what we all know is it's not really everything that you need back there. It'll be a little bit here and there, and it's kind of hard to put pieces of puzzle together. And that's what I realized just personally for myself. I had great sponsors and I was in some great programs, but it never gave me the exact tools that I needed or the exact blueprint that I needed in order to be successful. And that's what I was missing, right? Mm-hmm. I think that's what most of us are missing.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's just the daily, I'm still trying to figure it out, and I'm hoping by the end of the 90 days I'll have it fully figured out. But it's more of just a schedule of what you wake up and you need, the jobs that you have to get done.
Correct.
Every single day for your business, and instead of just staring at a computer screen like, what am I doing? You know, that happens. That's happened. I feel like I've been doing that for a year. Until I found.
Well, actually, that's true. That's what most of us do, because if you don't have the blueprint, which is the exact steps of what to do when you're sitting in front of the computer to earn, you're literally sitting there doing nothing. You're just pretty much, you find yourself wasting time, right? And because you're not productive within those hours that you're on a computer to make the money. And that was my problem in the beginning. I was in front of the computer doing a little bit of everything, but the little bit of everything was adding up to nothing because I wasn't earning consistently, you know? So that's why we came up with this mastermind, and that's why we have this blueprint, because it's literally being able to put the pieces of the puzzle together and connect the dots so that when you sit down, you know exactly what to do and you're no longer wasting time. You're doing your daily task. It's adding up to earnings, and then you're going on about your day. And that's what it should be. That's what a lot of the 6- and 7-figure earners that are within the online industry, that's what they do. They have it as a science.
Another great thing I love about this system is because you can earn without recruiting, you're earning anyway when you do from doing the reviews. It kind of takes the stress out of getting money. So you can use that time to actually focus and learn to get the money, if that makes sense.
That's correct.
It's not as stressful, you know, and the other thing is it takes out so much more time. I was spending easily 3 hours a day just having fake conversations with people. Well, not fake conversation. I just, no, that's not for me. This is exciting, and I'm just gonna work really, really hard and see where it takes me.
Absolutely. Well, I'm so glad that you decided to become a part of the mastermind. Like I tell people all the time, it's not for everyone, you know, and it is for those who are determined, who want to make a difference, and who have that drive to do more and to do better. You know, so I'm grateful for those that are a part of the team. I'm grateful to see people that are earning consistently. And not only that, what I love most about it is that you're earning while you're learning. And that's what it really is all about. You know, it's about being able to earn, and you learn as you go. And then you just watch the growth, you know, you watch it grow and get bigger and bigger and bigger, you know?
Yes, it's exciting. And I'm taking this blessing for what it is, and it would be wrong for anyone that is a part of this mastermind to just not use what you're offering. It would just be, it wouldn't be fair. So,
Yeah.
just gonna go for it and see where I end up.
Yeah, well, that's why we're only picking a few, and there's things that people need to do in order to get into the mastermind. And I think that's what makes it more worth the ride, being able to, connect with people that have the same drive as you and want the same things as you, and they're really willing to apply and stick with it no matter what. So we're going to just keep moving forward. And I'm so happy that you came out tonight. Thanks for telling us your story. And I look for a lot of great things for all of us, just by, and not only just to benefit us, but to open the doors and open the minds of others who want to do this, but really don't know what to do. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just
even, when I first started my online journey, my friends and family are like, you're crazy. And, I've stuck it out, and they're actually seeing me earning now. And now, just letting other people in the world know that there's more ways to earn an income than what we are taught in society, for sure. And I'm excited to be a part of it.
Yes, I am too. So thanks so much, Fiona, for reaching out. And guys, if you want to connect with Fiona, all of her information will be in the description of the video. If you want to get with her, you want to sign up with her and get started. She is a great person to work with, and we're here to help people and connect. So we have a community and people that are willing to reach out and make sure that you have all of the necessary tools you need in order to be successful. So Fiona, thanks so much for coming out.
Thank you.
And I will see you tomorrow on the Hangout.
Yeah.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
and have a great night.
You too. Thank you, Amanda.
Bye-bye.